sometimes play chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey neat, the lights were dimmed as our eyes met, moves on me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream.
Close your eyes and imagine for a moment we're in the French countryside having a beautiful picnic with this French 1900s tourer. We found another Oldsmobile, and it's even older than Olivia. A 1904 Oldsmobile light delivery van with a single-cylinder engine, known as a horseless carriage, believed to be just one of 3 still remaining, with the top speed around 40 kilometers an hour. What's the ride like, Bob?
Marvellous ride.
How long have you had it?
About 10 years.
Okay.
Had it up and down for many years. Down here.